Welcome to another Arizona adventure. Today we're exploring one of the state's true natural wonders, Tonto Natural Bridge State Park, located just outside Payson, Arizona, in the heart of the Tonto National Forest. The park offers several short but scenic hiking trails, multiple viewpoints, picnic areas, and plenty of spots to take in the surrounding pine forest landscape. It's a perfect destination for nature lovers, photographers, and families alike. This incredible park is home to the largest natural travertine bridge in the world, standing 183 feet high and stretching 150 feet wide, over a 400-foot long tunnel. Formed over thousands of years by water erosion and mineral deposits, this natural bridge is a stunning sight to behold. The cost to enter the Tonto Natural Bridge State Park is $7 for adults ages 14 and above, $4 for youth aged 7 to 13, and free for children 6 and under. When we visited, we were lucky enough to see the coati-mundi and deer, but other wildlife in the park include black bears, mountain lions, bobcats, birds, snakes, lizards, and rabbits. Going on the Waterfall Trail. Now let's hit the trail, specifically the Waterfall Trail, one of the park's most popular and accessible hikes. The Waterfall Trail is short, only about 300 feet one way or 0.2 miles round trip, but don't let the distance fool you. This trail packs in a lot of beauty in a very small footprint. The trailhead is easy to find. It starts right near the historic Goodfellow Lodge, close to the main parking lot. Almost immediately, you'll descend a series of stone and concrete steps that wind down into a narrow canyon. The stairs can be steep and a bit uneven, so take your time and watch your step.
Push your weight up just a little bit.
Though short, the Waterfall Trail has some moderate difficulty due to the steep descent and uneven steps. Proper footwear is a must, and this trail is not suitable for strollers or wheelchairs. As you make your way down, you'll start to hear the sound of trickling water. That's the seasonal waterfall ahead, which drips down from the natural bridge above. The amount of water you see will depend on the time of year and recent rainfall. Spring and early summer tend to be the best times for flow.
Oh, I hear it.
I go first this time.
Yeah. All right, have fun.
Wait, take my glasses. Take my sunglasses. I'm gonna take it down. If you ever want to have a nature-y shower,
Yeah.
let's go through there. You stand here.
Where? Okay, be careful. You want to walk to the end? Oh, there's that little cave there. The water is dripping down here too.
The trail is shaded in parts, especially as you enter the lush, mossy grotto at the base. Here, water seeps through the porous travertine rock and drips down the walls like a curtain, a truly magical spot. Green ferns and mosses cling to the wet stone, creating a vibrant micro-ecosystem right in the middle of the Arizona high desert.
It's like gold. So
See the cave in there?
yeah, it's some moss. There's a bunch of moss.
This is an out and back hike, meaning you have to turn around on the same path and climb back up all of those steep stairs. It ends here at this scenic cave at the base of the falls. It is a very peaceful, tropical-like setting. Take a moment here to enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. The coolness of the grotto offers a refreshing contrast to the warmer air above, and it's a perfect place for photos. Just be mindful of the slick rocks and the delicate vegetation. I do recommend hiking this trail first as you get to the park. If you get down here by the waterfall and there are a lot of people on the trail, since it only takes 15 or 20 minutes to go down and up on this trail, you can always do it one more time on your way out of the park and just see at that time if it's less busy. We split our visit into 2 half days. We drove from the Phoenix Metro on a Tuesday morning and we arrived around noon or 1 p.m. to the park. The first time that we did this trail, it was about 1 p.m. and as we got down towards the waterfall, there were quite a few people, maybe 10 or 15 people in this area. It was a little crowded and hard to take a picture. So we went back up out of the Waterfall Trail that first afternoon, and we went over and hiked the Goin Trail and then spent most of our afternoon just exploring under the bridge there, which was very beautiful. We left the park. We came back the next morning, which was a Wednesday morning in October. I believe we arrived at like 9:30 or 10 that morning, and we decided to try the Waterfall Trail again, and this time we were the only ones for 30 minutes on the trail. Most of the footage is from that hike that second morning, and after we did the Waterfall Trail that second time, we went over and did the Pine Creek Trail, which took a long time. We explored under the other side of the bridge where the Pine Creek Trail ends up, out there for a while, and then we exited up the Anime Trail. We didn't really plan it like that, but it worked out really well. I was really glad the Anime Trail was there because I didn't want to have to go all the way back on the Pine Creek Trail when we finished. Once you're ready to head back, it's time for a climb. The return trip is all uphill. While there are no benches, don't worry, it's brief, and if you need to, you can always pause, just stand along the side with the wall, catch your breath, look around, soak in the view. There's no rush. If you're visiting Tonto Natural Bridge State Park and only have time for 1 or 2 trails, the Waterfall Trail offers a great scenic reward. It's a great introduction to the natural wonders of the park and a must-see for any Arizona traveler. The other trail I would recommend if you're strapped for time would be the Goin Trail, spelled Gowan. It's great because it does get you down to see the beauty of the natural bridge. Thanks for hiking with us at the Tonto Natural Bridge State Park Waterfall Trail. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite Arizona hike. We've got more adventures coming soon, so stay tuned and keep exploring.